What's in your basket? Keep going. Keep going. Keep doing it. Beep. Sorry, you are. What do you think? Look at those whiskers. That's a finger. Good boy, buddy. I know. What's in there? Good work, buddy. Yum. You can see how Kemosabe only has 4 fingers. He has no thumbs. He has a thumb pad to help him hold. If you look at his feet here, he has 4 toes back here, and then just a thumb pad there. That's going to help him hold onto branches better. You can see under his belly here that he doesn't really have any coils under there. So all these big coils on top are going to help protect his belly underneath. When he gets threatened, all his coils are going to raise, and he's going to bend his head over and charge any predator. Because that's going to protect his belly and his tail, which also does not have any quills on the end of it there. Now normally, porcupines would have 2 top incisors, 2 top teeth there, but if you look close you can see Kemosabe only has 1. He actually came to Animal Wonders with an infected tooth, and we had to pull that top incisor out. So he is our 1-toothed porcupine on top. And so he really enjoys his soft foods like banana. Yeah. Tell him how much you like banana. Is it good? Yeah. Yum, yum, yum. Is that good? No more bananas! No more bananas! You don't want to eat fingers. Fingers don't taste good.